Sally boy, say hi. Say hi. Hi. I'm playing with my new toys. Yeah, show Mommy your toys. Wow, those are nice toys. You can show your stupid grandma, though. Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Aunt Chrissy. Show Mommy your toy. Sal. You like your new toys? Wow, that's a nice toy. Sal. Sally boy. Hello. You looking for Caesar? Huh? Hey. Say bye-bye. Sal. Sal. Hey.